Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a standalone fingerprint time clock. First, carefully unbox your new time clock and connect it to a reliable power source. Find a stable surface or securely mount the device at a convenient height, typically around 45 to 50 inches from the floor. Power on the unit and allow about 30 seconds for the system to fully boot up. Then, use your administrator credentials to access the main menu and begin configuration. Next, let's enroll your employees' fingerprints. From the main menu, navigate to the User Management or Enrollment section. Select the option to add a new user and input their unique employee identification number. Guide each employee to place their finger firmly on the scanner, ensuring full contact. Capture at least 2, and ideally 3 distinct scans of the same finger to ensure high accuracy and reliable future clock-ins. Now, it's time to set up your work shifts and schedules. Access the time management or schedule settings from the main menu. Here, you can define various work shifts, specifying their exact start and end times. Assign these shifts to individual employees or entire departments. Don't forget to configure any standard break times, such as a 30-minute lunch, and establish clear rules for overtime calculations to ensure accurate payroll processing. Finally, let's discuss data management and reporting. Most standalone time clocks allow you to export attendance records via a USB drive. Simply connect the drive, select the desired date range, and transfer the data. You can then import this information into your payroll software for efficient processing. Regularly review daily, weekly, or monthly attendance reports to monitor employee hours. Always back up your data to prevent any potential loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.